everyone, it's Rita. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have what's going to be my last haul of the year. So this is going to be most of the items that I picked up from H&M. I want to say almost 2 months ago. So on my latest haul that I think I published around a month or so ago, I did mention that I had another one coming. H&M took a very long time to send my items. They finally sent everything. I got everything here now, but it did take a very long time. So this is basically that second part of my haul that I did not publish back then. So I did get it probably, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks ago, but I am just getting around to showing it to you. And I thought it really didn't matter because most of these things are going to be basically fall winter clothes. I did pick up a couple of sweaters, including this gorgeous one that I absolutely fell in love with. It's super feminine, it's super pink, it has this beautiful kind of like puffy sleeves that are so in right now and I absolutely love. And it has, let me show you real quick. It's kind of like just a basic sweater and it has like the big sleeves, so it is very comfy. So I guess we just took this one out of the way, so it's gonna be this sweater that I'm using right now. I've worn probably already 3 times or 4 at this point. It is not itchy, it's just very comfortable. It feels very nice and it is thicker, so it is very warm, which I absolutely love because I can literally just wear this. Houston weather is not super cold, so I feel like I can definitely get away with just wearing a shirt and this, and I'll be very cozy and comfortable. So anyway, most of these things are going to be from that same H&M haul, and I do have a couple of other things. I did pick up a jacket just a couple of days ago from Macy's, and I did pick up a beautiful shirt from J. Crew. So anyway, let's just get right into it. After we started with this hauls, I'm gonna be posting here a little video of me wearing the item of clothes that I'm gonna be showing you. So anyway, since we started with sweaters, I thought we would just kind of like stay on that track and then show you all the sweaters that I got. I realized that I got a lot of beige tone sweaters, or all of them basically were beige except for this one that it's an absolutely beautiful bright pink. I did have a couple of more sweaters, but they were just not the right fit. I had a lavender one that was huge. It was an extra small, but it was so big, so I had to just take it back. And then probably another sweater that I just can't remember at this point. But anyway, the first one that I am kind of regretting not taking back, it's a little awkward. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see on the clip, but this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful design, kind of like a cable knit, and then it has these beautiful flouncy they're not really the sleeves because it literally goes all the way down here, but they're just very beautiful. But honestly, and it is a little bit short. I mean, not short, but it'll just fall right on my jean area, so it's not a long sweater by any means. It is very beautiful, and whenever I saw it on the website, I just fell in love. And the thing is, I just tried it on real quick, but I didn't kind of like adjust it or anything. You're gonna see here on the clip that it's just a little awkward. It's kind of like very open on the shoulder chest area, so it's not going to be very good for whenever it's cold. Because whenever it's probably a little bit chilly, but then I don't know, I feel like this little flouncy things are a little bit awkward and they just kind of like don't adjust. I don't know. I am kind of regretting at this point keeping it. It was very beautiful on the website and I thought I was gonna love it, and looking at it, I think it's a beautiful dress, but I just don't think I'm gonna be comfortable wearing it. And I think at this point it's already a little too late to exchange it or return it since it's been a while. So I probably will just have to be stuck with it, but we'll see. I'll see how I can make it work, but I think it's gonna be a little awkward just wearing it. For my second sweater, we also have another beige one. So it's gonna be this very grandmommy style sweater. I don't know why I have that idea. Like whenever I think of like grandma sweaters, I think of this, like my grandma would wear something just like this. It is another beige sweater with this huge 3 buttons on the front, and it's very long, so my sleeves, you're probably gonna be able to tell on the video, they are pretty long, but I don't mind it. I feel like it's going to be one of those very wide sweater, like very comfy, but because it is so baggy on me, I feel like I could just get away with it, like tucking it in somehow, or I don't know. It is also a little bit, I'll have to figure out how to wear it because it's not, I don't know. I feel like it's also like a little bit awkward. And you can also see the sleeves have like a huge space. So I like it because it's kind of like comfy, but I don't know if it's the best look for me, if that makes sense. So I do like it. I think it's very cute, but I don't particularly love how it fits on me. But again, like the other one, I kind of didn't realize that until it was a little too late to be able to return or exchange. For my last sweater, I got yet another beige sweater. This one was my favorite. So this one and the pink one were just my favorites. This one is just going to be a very simple, very basic beige sweater. It's very lightweight, which I kind of like because it's going to be a very good sweater to layer. And it's very thin, it's not long, it's not too short like the first one that I showed you. It is just, I feel like the right size, like lengthwise. It's also kind of like thicker or like bigger sleeves, so it gives you like a lot of space underneath. I don't know, it's a very, very comfortable one. It's very cute. I love the shade. It's kind of like a more beigey, but it has a little bit of white. It's just very basic, but honestly, it was my favorite with this pink one. And it was very affordable. I think this is probably the most affordable one that I got. It was probably like $10. Whereas the other ones that I am not completely sure if I love them, they were like around 30 ish. I have the only item that I got from J. Crew, and it is going to be a statement shirt, but it is my favorite. Like if I could look at my closet and just my shirts, this is my very favorite of all times. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and it just speaks for itself. So take a look at this beautiful shirt. It's kind of like a more silky material. It feels very expensive, very nice. It was pretty pricey. I paid a good penny for this, which I don't think I've ever paid that much for a shirt, but I thought it was worth it. I really like it. I love the shades. I love the fabric. I love everything about it. It's just a beautiful statement, and I feel like I'm gonna get a ton of use out of it during this time of the year, and I definitely see myself using this in the coming year. So I think this was one of those good investment pieces that I'm glad I picked. And whenever I actually bought this in store, it actually has like a matching pants, but that was going to be way too much. Like I would never. But I think it's very cute, and I feel like the outfit, like the matching outfit, would look really cute if you are that kind of like very out there person. But for me, the shirt is more than enough, and I would be so happy pairing this with jeans and nice shoes, or maybe like a skirt. I just loved it. It's absolutely stunning, and it is very comfy. I've used it once just around my house. Actually, I filmed with this a couple of videos back. I think the one from Charlotte Tilbury. But it is just, it's just absolutely stunning. H&M shirts. So all of this, I think everything else is going to be H&M of the shirts that I got. So this is also, we are very pink today, like makeup pink, everything pink, so I love it. Speaking of pink, I did pick up this beautiful button up. It's also like a very silky material. It's actually very reminiscent of that J. Crew one. This one is just a beautiful dusty light baby pink, and it has that cute little design on the sleeves just right here in the shoulders, which kind of like makes it a little bit puffy, sort of like this. I love the puffy sleeves, and it is very comfortable. I haven't worn it just yet. I've just tried it on, but I really love it. I love the shade of it. I love the fabric. Just feels very, I feel like it's gonna be a very comfortable shirt. And then it has here like sort of like 3 buttons on the end, so this is going to be a very long one, sort of like looking a little bit of a cufflink shirt of a guy, of a man. I really like it. I think it's beautiful. And again, I feel like I would definitely use this with just jeans and some tennis shoes, or with a skirt. You know, if before I go back to the office, that would be something that I could use like on my everyday. And I really have a gold shirt, also very kind of like silky material. This is a beautiful top neck, which is going to be very kind of like very close to your neck. You'll see here on the video, and I love this shirt. The way it just kind of like falls down here on the neck just gives you like a very pretty kind of like classy vibe to it. It's just very simple, but the color just speaks tremendously because it is like a beautiful kind of like beigey gold. And then again, it has that same kind of like design down here on the cuffs, which is kind of like the same as the neck. And it does have here some buttons. Like on the back you also get the similar buttons, but just, you know, 3 buttons to kind of like secure the neck, and then it has a little opening. Just a beautiful shirt that again I could literally wear with any jeans or pants or skirts, or back whenever I'm on the office to dress it up a little more, although it is already very dressy as it is. But I think it's just a beautiful shirt. And another favorite was this beautiful white blouse, or kind of like also button-up shirt. It has these absolutely stunning ruffles all around the chest area coming up to the shoulders, and it also has those same ruffles on the back. So it's just a basic white shirt, but I feel like those ruffles give it so much attitude and presence. I really love it. Like I can just envision this with like jeans, some tennis shoes, like tucked in. Very beautiful. I really love it. This is going to be like a regular cotton material, so it's not like that beautiful soft silky ones like the other ones. But I feel like this is just like the perfect kind of like button-up shirt with a little twist to it, which I absolutely love. Lastly, for shirts, I do have this one that's similar on like the neck as the gold one. So it's kind of like one of those tall necks that are going to keep very like restricted the area, which I feel like it gives a little more sophistication whenever you have those kind of like taller necks that are very very attached to your neck. And it is a beautiful kind of like, I don't even know what shade of blue this is. It's like a blue gray, very stunning. And then it has these details on it, and then more details here on the shoulder, so making it a little bit puffy with this beautiful lace. And then the lace runs down all the way on the chest. And then the back is going to be the same with 2 buttons, and then a little tiny bit of detail on your back. And then to make everything even better, it has on the hands right here, on the end of the shirt, you get this beautiful kind of like cuffs that have that same lace. I mean, I feel like it's a statement without being too much, but it is a beautiful statement shirt nonetheless. I did pick up 2 dresses. One of them was as a recommendation from Josie here on YouTube, Fashion Mumbler. I will leave her information below, but I'm pretty sure you know who she is. So she did showcase this dress in one of her H&M hauls a very long time ago, and as soon as she showcased this, I literally searched it and I thought it was so beautiful. Again, from H&M, like everything else. And it just like a long sleeve, and it is a little bit longer. It just falls a little bit underneath my knees, which I absolutely love. I feel like more comfortable with this kind of dresses, and especially for the more colder weather, I feel like this is going to be perfect. And it has some little strings here to do a bow. You'll see here on the video, on the clip, how it fits, but I feel like it's a very comfortable dress on me, and I love the A-line figure, so it's going to be kind of like just a little bit fitted on the top, and then it just falls down into a very beautiful flowy skirt, which these are absolutely my favorite kind of dresses. I just feel very confident and very comfortable in them, and I really like the detail on this dress. It's kind of like a more beigey green with just teeny tiny flowers that are white. I think it's just adorable. For my second and last dress, I have this absolutely stunner that I have no clue where I'm gonna wear to, but I just had to pick it up. So this is going to be one of those kind of like satiny material, so it's gonna be very soft to the touch, and it's kind of like a light gold shade, and then in the middle it has this kind of like same part of the dress, but it kind of like comes up to a bow, which maybe one day I'll be able to do a nice bow because my bows are always so horrible. But it's a long sleeve, again, very bouncy, beautiful flowy sleeves, and then it goes all the way down. It's like a maxi dress, so this is going to be a very very long dress, very flowy and very comfortable. Again, I haven't tried it, but just by the fabric, it is a very kind of like cold fabric to the touch, but I feel like it's going to be very warm once you have it on. That kind of like fake silk, you know what I'm talking about. But it is very very stunning. I feel like it has a lot of, again, presence, and it's very elegant I can just picture this wearing this with my heels, and I feel like it's going to be so adorable again once I have somewhere to wear it to. But I think it's just a stunner, and it was a little bit more expensive, you know, expensive for H&M prices, but I thought it was worth it, and I think I got this at like a 20% off, so I didn't pay more than $50 for it, which I am so happy with, and I cannot wait to try it out. The last item we're gonna have is a jacket, a puffer jacket, which I was in desperate need of. And I found one at Macy's. Like, if you're looking for puffer jackets, I first went to J. Crew and they didn't really have anything that I was, you know, interested in. I feel like the ones they had were a little too lightweight for what I was looking for. I really wanted like a more warmer puffer jacket that was also gonna be cute, so I thought J. Crew, but didn't find what I wanted. So I actually ended up in Macy's, and they have like a huge selection of like coats, like more winter coats and puffer jackets. So if you're looking to find a new coat or a new puffer jacket, definitely check out your local Macy's, because they had a huge selection. Like, it was like a full part of the store with only puffer jackets and coats. So anyway, this one is from Nautica, and it's the most stunning powder pink, a beautiful baby pink. And the reason why I liked it is, in general, I feel like puffer jackets are just like very meh. Like, they don't give you any form. They're just, I don't know, they're just weird looking. Like, you have to have like a form-fitting one. I feel like it's a little bit harder to find form-fitting ones. So I love this one because it is one of those form-fitting. It has, like, you can see right here, just, you know, kind of like hugs you in a very nice way. It has a little hoodie that preferably I would take off, because I'm not really going to use it, so you can just remove it, so it is removable. And it is very warm. I actually used it for the first time today. This morning was a little bit chilly in Houston, so I did wear it. I was a little skeptical about the black detailing, because I felt like it was a little too dramatic, you know, like you get like a very light baby pink, and then black is like, I don't know, just a little too much. I thought the transition was very harsh. But actually, when I wear it, I really like it, and I wear it with like black boots, and I thought it was absolutely beautiful. I really like it. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick little haul. Maybe it wasn't too quick. I wanted to share with you the very last things that I picked up for 2020. We'll see what is going to be our first haul of the year that's coming up very fast on us. We are actually probably by the time this video is up, I'm pretty sure we'll be in Mexico. So we're gonna be staying in Mexico with my parents for the next month. So I'm pretty excited to see them and spend some quality time with them. But I probably won't be shopping as much over there. I say that, but realistically, I will probably pick up a couple of things. If I do, I will definitely share with you in a haul. I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna be filming down there, but if I do, I will be posting here, maybe do a little blog. I don't have a blog camera, so that's an issue. I really wanted to get one before I left, but I just didn't get around to it. But hopefully my phone will be sufficient. We'll see. I'm not entirely sure yet. But anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!